Oh, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So I was making this beat, and then I was like, I made a melody. So I just want to show you how I made this melody in FS Studio Mobile. So, but I couldn't add the drums here, so I just made a melody. So make sure you enjoy this video and subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share all my videos. Let's get it, man. Welcome back to another video. Make sure you click the link in my description, join the free Telegram group, and download the drum kits. And yeah, man, in today's video I'll be making a melody. I was lazy to add the drums on this melody, but anyways, it's cool. So make sure you watch the video until the end. So let's get it. So man, I started with these chord progressions. I used the C minor harmonic scale, 130 BPM. So I started with the chord progression, and then I built the melody from there. And then after the chord progression, I added these top notes on the chords to give it more texture, you know.